Hello, I'm going to prepare the detailed video for you and for your guidance. I have checked all the file again and able to create a chart. Product status I have checked. I'm going to explain from start now. This is stock in voucher. This is stock out voucher. Once you have click on this A3 cell, then you have to scan your code, serial number. At the moment in the database, the C product status, the serial number is from 8001 to serial wise down to barcode form 010, and the products are placed into up to product 1 to product 10 with the opening stock. The stock that you have when you started the inventory is placed. Whatever the stock, it will be here by you, and you can enter them manually. You can start with the zero stock as well. So these are the powered by the formulas, and you don't have to enter anything in these formulas. At the moment, you will see that the product 4 is total stock in 4, and the stock out 0, and the product 2 total stock in is 0 and out stock is 2. So the remaining stock, when you add and less, these two will present you the same result by after the adding. So I'm going to here enter. Once you have entered the serial number of your barcode or scan from your scanner, like A001, then you will see that there is a time of 10:43. At the moment, my screen is showing 10:46 a.m. So when I have entered this, and you will see that the time automatically populates, and now I'm going to see the what what happens when I did in the database. You will see that the 10:46 a.m. product 1 is one stock in, and when you go to product status, you will see that the product 1 is automatically jump up to one quantity, and it turns into 105. Previously it was in 104. So when you go here, and again in stock out voucher, you have enter or scan serial A001, and then go check the state the database. You will see that uh, at the time of 10:47 a.m. product 1 is stocked out, and the status will be 104, 5 stock in and 1 stock out. So it will be it can, you can do it for several times whenever you select the select or enter the or scan the serial number. You just scan, then the rest of the work will automatically done by the process that I have designed inside. I have entered the 1010. It's not happening because I have entered the wrong code, so it gives you the error. So I go back again, and you will see that there is no matchup. When I go here and A010, then you will see that definitely goes for the stock. You will see that stock one, and the status is all gives you the one, jump to the one, and you go stock out, and A010, you will see that database will stock out and stock out. The remaining balance will be 1000, one out, one in, and you go and A010 stock will be out from the database once more, and the total will be 999. So this is what I have done, and it's worked perfectly. Once you have scanned, and it will start scanning, and the stock jump up with the value stock out less than from the total value of the closing balance that you have. So this is what I have done. I hope you understand all features. Once you have entered a wrong uh, serial that are not into your database, it will gives you a not available sign inside the database. So this is what I hope you understand all, and it's working perfectly. I work hard on it, and it's up to you now. Thanks. If you have any question, let me know.